In this problem, we want to convert all of these fractions into a percent. As we know, percent means out of 100. So in each of these, we want a fraction out of 100. In order to, in the first one, go from 5 to 100, we are going to multiply by 20, because 5 times 20 is 100. If we multiply the denominator by 20, we must in turn multiply the numerator by 20. When we multiply the numerator by 20, 2 times 20 equals 40. As soon as we have a number over 100, we then can convert that to a percent. The numerator indicates what that percent is. And so for letter A, we have 40%. For letter B, we need to go from 10 to 100. If we multiply 10 by 10, we get 100. Multiplying the bottom by 10, we must multiply the top, the numerator, by 10. 7 times 10 equals 70. As soon as we have a number over 100, we have our answer. 70 is 70%. 70 over 100 is 70%. 25 times 4 will give us 100 for the denominator. If we multiply the denominator by 4, we must multiply the numerator by 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Once we have a number 16 over 100, we have the percent, and the percent is 16%. Letter D is a little different because we have the 3 out front, but in fact you can actually ignore that 3 and just work with the partial fraction. Okay, so 20 times 5 will give us that 100. Multiplying the denominator by 5, we got to multiply the numerator by 5. 9 times 5 is 45. And so 3 and 9/20 is equivalent to 3 and 45/100. You do not want to multiply the 3, the large 3 out front, by 5. Don't do that. We now have our 45, but we also have this 3, and so how that is included is that we have our 3 and 45%, so 345%. You kind of just combine those two things together to get one whole percentage, which is a little bit different, but that's how this one works.